Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mr. Bobbin here, and let's ignore my hair. It's in the process of drying, but I wanted to film. I didn't want to wait for it to dry. But anyway, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be making an oversized sweater using my Casey Element yarn. So I've actually been working on this project for a few weeks now, and I still haven't finished because it's that big, and I've never made an oversized sweater before, so this is actually my first time doing it, and it's a really long project. Like, this doesn't take a short amount of time because I don't know, it was just so huge. But I already started on it, of course, because I've been working on it in like most of my vlogs. So I finished the front panel, and this is how it is. This is how big it is because I want it oversized, of course. And then I started on the back panel. So I've gotten this far with the back panel, and I actually have 60 more rows to go. And then I also have the sleeves to do, which is why I was like, I can still make a crochet with me, because I don't really have a lot of progress to where I can't make a video on it, because I still have to finish 60 more rows, finish the sleeves, then put them all together, and then do the collar. So I have a good amount of content to use for this video. So yeah, that's really it. And like I said before, I'm using Casey Element yarn, and I love this yarn. I love working with it because it's so soft, and it's just so different from Lily Sugar and Cream, because Lily Sugar and Cream is a really stiff yarn, but this one is so soft, and I like really work fast with it because it doesn't split as often as Lily Sugar and Cream does. So that's really good for me. But that's really my intro. I don't want to talk a lot because I just want to get to working on this sweater, oversized sweater, so I can finish it and work on other projects, because this has literally been my whip for so long. Whip, work in progress, and I want to start something else. So that's really all I have to say for now, and I'll be, you know, doing updates later in the videos. But for now, I just want to crochet and film me crocheting for a good amount of time so I can really get a lot done today with this project. And let's get it. Okay guys, so it's the next day, and I got this much done. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 66. I have 66 rows now. I have 66 rows now. I don't know what number I was on before, like yesterday, but I'm not even gonna guess. But now I have like 20 more rows to go, and I'll be done with the back panel, and then it'll be time to start on the sleeves. So I'm gonna finish this back panel really quickly, and yeah. Okay guys, hold on. So I finally finished the back panel. This is how it looks, and it seems kind of like slim. I thought it would be a little wider. Well, I was supposed to do it a little wider, but honestly I don't care. I'm just ready to be done with this project. And this is the front panel. I still have my stitch markers here. But yeah, now I'm going to slip stitch these together so it can become a body panel, and then I'm going to start on my sleeves. I actually already started on one of them, and this is how it looks so far. Then I just have to, you know, finish it, and then I'll be doing the other sleeve and then the collar, and then so many thens. And then I will finally be done with this oversized sweater after 10 years. I'm definitely not going to be doing an oversized sweater anytime soon. I kind of still want to focus on tank tops and cardigans and just little tops, not anything oversized per se. But I know I'm still going to do an oversized project again, just not, you know, in my next few videos. So, yeah, let's get it. Okay, I finished. Ooh, it's hot. I'm here crazy. But I finished slip stitching the front panel and the back panel together. But now I'm going inside because it's hot. But I'm going to try it on so you guys can see how it's going to look or how it looks. Whew, this heat is sealing my eyeballs shut. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is how it looks on the panels. See, I kind of wish I did it a little wider because I feel like it's gonna fit like kind of tight. But honestly, it doesn't even matter because I don't even care about this anymore. I just want to finish so I can work on new projects. But here it is. Now I'm going to start on my sleeve. Well, continue off my sleeve. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay guys, so I accidentally finished my sleeve yesterday. I wasn't supposed to, but I'm glad I did. But Kahila stayed up yesterday to finish her tank top, so I ended up staying up with her, and then I ended up finishing the sleeve, which is good. So I literally started the sleeve yesterday, and the sleeve is 50 rows, so it's not like it was a little bit, like that was a lot of sleeve left, but I ended up finishing it, and now it's time to put all the pieces together. Finally, after 3 weeks, I am finally going to finish this project. And usually it doesn't take me this long to finish a project, but I've been doing so many projects in between doing this, so I really wasn't dedicating a lot of my time for this project. But now the time has come, boys. It's time to finish it. So both sleeves, the panels that are already slip stitched together, and now it's time to put it together. Let's go. I totally forgot, my fan's on, so anyway, I totally forgot that this is an oversized sweater, so my sleeves needed to be like big, like really big, and then, but this is how my sleeves are, and it goes this long, so we'll see how this turns out, but this is not looking promising. Okay, so I finished slip stitching everything together, so it looks like this, and now it's time to start on the collar, and then I will be done finally. finally done with the shirt. So I did my collar a little taller, like I chained more, because when I put it on, literally it touched right here, so it was like this wide. So I chained more so it sunk it in a little bit, and I'm gonna go try it on so you guys can see how it looks on me. Okay, so this is how it turned out. Ta-da! So I love what I did with this. I chained the perfect amount. I chained as many as I did with the sleeve, but I definitely could have had more sleeve, but this is my first time making an oversized sweater, so I had absolutely no idea what I was doing. So next time I will definitely give more room for sleeve, but other than that, I genuinely like how it turned out. But I wouldn't do it as long as I did. Like I don't like my oversized stuff like this long. I kind of like it to stop like right here. Like that would have been perfect, but this is fine, you know. First times aren't ever going to be perfect. And yeah, so that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.